Hey gardeners and landscapers, welcome to my channel. Today, we're looking into 10 amazing landscape design ideas that will help you create your dream outdoor space. Before we begin, don't forget to click the link in the description below for more details and product recommendations. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest landscaping tips and tricks. Let's get started with our first design idea: create a Zen garden. Imagine stepping into a peaceful oasis right in your backyard. A Zen garden incorporates rocks, sand, and minimal greenery to create a meditative space. Use a rake to create patterns in the sand, symbolizing ripples in water. Add a few carefully placed rocks and perhaps a small bamboo plant for that perfect touch of tranquility. Number 2. Build a water feature. Nothing beats the soothing sound of flowing water. Whether it's a small pond, an elegant fountain, or a cascading waterfall, a water feature can transform your garden. Not only does it create a calming ambience, but it also attracts wildlife, adding life to your outdoor space. A pond, fountain, or waterfall can add a soothing ambience and attract wildlife. Number 3. Design a cottage garden. For those who love a romantic, informal look, a cottage garden is the way to go. Fill your space with a variety of colorful flowers and fragrant herbs. Think roses, lavender, and daisies all mingling together in a charming, seemingly effortless design. Number 4. Create a Mediterranean oasis. Bring the warmth of the Mediterranean to your backyard with drought-tolerant plants, terracotta pots, and stone pathways. Olive trees, rosemary, and lavender are perfect choices for this sun-loving garden style. Number 5. Design a modern garden. If sleek and contemporary is more your style, consider a modern garden design. Focus on clean lines, geometric shapes, and minimalist plantings. Think box hedges, ornamental grasses, and sculptural plants like agave or New Zealand flax. Number 6. Build a secret garden. Who doesn't love a hidden retreat? Create a secret garden by using dense plantings and winding paths. A rustic gate or archway covered in climbing roses can mark the entrance to your private paradise. Number 7. Design a rooftop garden. For our urban dwellers, don't let lack of ground space stop you from gardening. Transform your rooftop into a green oasis. Use lightweight containers, install a deck, and choose plants that can withstand wind and sun exposure. Number 8. Create an edible garden. Combine beauty and functionality with an edible garden. Grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Mix ornamental plants with edibles for a visually appealing and productive space. Number 9. Design a Japanese garden. Create a serene atmosphere with a Japanese-inspired garden. Incorporate elements like bonsai trees, a koi pond, stone lanterns, and a simple bridge. The key is to create a harmonious balance between nature and human-made elements. Number 10. Create a tropical paradise. Last but not least, bring the exotic feel of the tropics to your backyard. Use lush foliage, vibrant flowers, and water features to create a warm, jungle-like atmosphere. Think palm trees, bird of paradise flowers, and perhaps even a small waterfall. There you have it, 10 stunning garden design ideas to inspire your next outdoor project. Remember, the key to a great garden is to choose a style that resonates with you and suits your space and climate. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more detailed information on each of these designs, including product recommendations to help you get started. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button for more gardening inspiration. Until next time, happy landscaping!